we used to visit home throughout our childhood, but it used to always be strange because you didn't know anyone. Everyone knew who you were, but only you as a kid. They didn't know you as a person. Like, I felt like, oh, this is where my parents grew up, but it wasn't necessarily where I felt like I belonged, because everything I knew was in the South Island. My parents actually split up. So my father went back to Gisborne. So I think it was 2009, Christmas, I'd come back and I'd gone to Manawarū, and I was like, oh, this is a quiet place. I'd be sleeping and I'd wake up to Te Manawarū having their practice, and I was like, wow, this is cool. Well, it was a foreign thing for me because I'd go on for hours on like a Sunday. For me, that was really cool. It was like something that you didn't have down in the South Island. You don't get woken up by songs, and that just doesn't happen. So I started to like really enjoy like little things like that about returning home. And then I was living in Christchurch, so after the big Christchurch earthquake had hit, that's when I just started to think, what am I doing here? So that's when I was like, oh, I think I might go home. And I didn't know that I was from Manawarū. I didn't know where my grandmother laid. I didn't know a lot of this stuff. So as an adult coming back, it was just little things like that. Going to the Anzac service at the Māori battalion, like that was, for me, that was awesome, because there's no marae down in the South Island. Well, there is a marae, but it wasn't something that I would go visit, where if I was just cruising around Manawarū, I'd go to the shop, walk across the bridge over to Ōhakolo and just spend some time there, pick out all the weeds, on my way. Like those were experiences that, I couldn't have growing up. And then I started working on Ward 5 at Gisborne Hospital. I started seeing people who were like me and, had mannerisms like me that I didn't understand where they came from, and just felt better as a person. Like my wairua, everything was replenished. Like I felt a little bit stronger myself. I just started to realise that, wow, this is where I'm from, these are my people, like, I don't know, you just can't get a bit comfortable in yourself,